Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Another thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch through the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on device icon, and here you should see your Mibro Watch GS Pro. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the option called Factory Reset. Tap on it, then tap on determine, and wait. It will start resetting the watch. You can also delete the watch if you want to completely disconnect it from your phone. You can tap on delete current device and then determine. And then you can wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the hello screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.